All right, let's talk about one other thing that the coconut is good for. And we get this coconut, this is a gallon's worth. And on here it says organic extra virgin coconut oil, nature's ideal cooking oil, of course, which we don't use it for that. But it also says it's a luxurious body oil. And so we have found that that this oil is fairly good. This jar here we use for cooking. It's in a nice liquid form. And or not for cooking. We use it for blending our foods because we don't cook foods here. And our next item is oil that we use for our body. Now, when I shave every day, I shave and I put this coconut oil all over my face. And in the past, every time I shaved, I used to get quite a bit of irritation all over my neck from using the razor. Since I've gone to using this coconut oil and putting it all over my face, it alleviates that problem. This is just my own personal testimony to the use of the coconut oil. The final one is the lubricant, which my wife uses. And this we've found that turns into a really great natural sexual lubricant. And I recommend everybody try it. It's a great answer to a lot of those kind of problems. So use the coconut oil. It's a great thing to use on your body.